Good evening, everyone, and I'm Duttyberry, and welcome to a brand new Dutty News, where I talk about trending things that I see on my timeline. Let's get into our top stories. And first up, American rapper Offset celebrates his birthday in Jamaica with girlfriend Cardi B.
Yeah, they keep going so fast. Yeah, baby, make it look good for Instagram.
No man, my God, I forgot to try to see if I can get that interview, my God. And moving things right along, dancehall artist Valiant issues stern warning to all members of the media.
To media people, they might use my name for one bag of things, stop do it here. I hold my own and I focus my science on the yeah, science. Feel like a cap talk.
For the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. No, from one artist to the next, American rapper Glorilla revealed that she likes her food with a bit of extra seasoning.
Food, I'ma still eat it. So if you been like none of my food, I'ma eat it.
It's like dressing.
I like just cut my fries real quick and I'ma eat it.
None of my.
Oh wow. What Lisa App did say? Stick it on them. No, a woman was found guilty after surveillance footage caught her stealing items at a store.
This is the funniest shit I've ever seen. What is this nigga doing now?
That don't make no sense. Cause here we're going.
No man, but honestly, should I really think I should ever get away with that? If it's one thing me learn from Doe right now, it is swipe her, no swiping. Unless the swiping I'm going at night. News just in. I'm hearing that this is a never-been-seen moment between a Jamaican father and son. Do we have the footage? Take a look.
Childhood dream. For me was a toddler kicking ball. This is one of his dreams to represent Turner College. Congrats to him, congrats to the school, congrats to the boys.
It motivates me every day. He's probably the best father I could ever wish for, Every day, even when I'm down, he just always push me and help me. Boy, Daddy, me love you. Thank you for supporting me and come here.
Oh wow, no, this must be nice. Must be nice. The last time I bought like this, I went to KFC and they run out of barbecue chicken. No, Nigerian artist Asake is nursing a sprain after attempting a few karate moves while performing on stage. Whoa! Now, our news team is being informed that dancehall artist Spice has a stunt double. Yeah man, them favor for true, them really favor. Now, our news team contacted Spice, and this is what she said.
Different category, different category.
Now, despite contradicting reports, Michael Jackson is back.
No, dog.
Huh. Hee-hoo. Now moving things right along, baby mother rejoices after her baby father showered her with an early Christmas gift.
When baby daddy come through, you know what was that?
Oh, so that's why the girl them love the choppers them. I totally get it. Me get it now. Jesus. Now, continuing with the Christmas spirit, Saint Nicholas issues apology after a video emerged of him online gyrating while doing Christmas deliveries.
Mr. Frosty, calling all girls. Ha ha ha! Get it, Tandy. Put your hand on your knees and balance on your tippy toe. Friend, you know you're something good, girl. Bend down low. You know you're at the way.
Not Santa Claus behaving like a ho 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 ho. Oh wow, that was really corny. Anyway, me have to just work with it, yeah. Now, in more Santa Claus news, Santa has placed a restraining order against a woman who posted the following video online.
I notice you now have Christmas treat and Christmas event and I have the Santa for the little pit them sit down in a Santa lap for take picture. One to the Santa for the big people them come me would I like for sit down in a Santa face and I'm snap lap.
Oh my God! No man, merciful Father, Jesus Christ. Now, dancehall artist, hood celebrity makes it clear that there is only one way to claim Jamaican status.
I don't want to keep hearing you Jamaican. Let me see a blue book. Let me see a blue book. See that? Let me see a blue book. Yeah. Let me see a picture. Let me see a picture. See that? Yeah.
Yeah, man, definitely agree with her because I know I way alone trans. People literally want to be trans Jamaican these days. Not go so.
That me say.
Yeah, man, too much people that walk around want to claim Jamaican citizenship because them have like one great-grandfather from like 20 centuries ago where they born here. It don't work so.
No.
Now, in another story, I'm sure you might have heard about the term cat calling, but I guess this social media star, Siloni, is introducing a new term called dog ringing.
What's that, Siloni? Over the Jata. For go on feet now?
You know, me not laugh, but as her cartel say, when girl want if she a work, stop work. If she a study, stop study. Oh wow, me not even remember somebody remember the song there, you know. Oh God, Broadcast Commission. Now, a woman has been left devastated after searching her boyfriend's phone only to find out that he was rejected by every woman he tried to cheat on her with.
Look, me shame. Shame and kill me.
Oh God, that's sad. Can you imagine? Yeah man, she definitely left him after that because woman don't want nobody when nobody no want. She probably there fear you, I wonder. So why me take him then? Now, moving right along, there has been an increase in ear and cochlear massages among men. But we'll stick to my Q-tip. Now, speaking of giggity energy, a new YouTube researcher found out that Jamaicans are horny. Very horny.
Oh, after all. Yeah.
Always, me husband said they have too much energy.
Eh?
It's not just on the road.
It's not just on the road.
No, me husband said they have too much energy.
Jono. Jono. Boy, I like 60 years old, but let me get some. Probably I can't stand up still, so like. Yeah, bro! Yeah! Baby! Yeah, bro! No.
Now, speaking of giggity energy, teen boys discuss whether or not they would be intimate with a butch.
I'm so why? They're shooting a dog. Sometimes you see somebody who chat them in the dark. But two of them first rough to when we go put it on the back and you come here and say, yo, man, you
Yeah, all of that kind of good and dandy, but am I wrong because I actually thought that a tomboy referred to a girl with more masculine characteristics?
Hold up. Wait a minute.
So a tom girl would be a male with more feminine characteristics.
I can't read. What's it?
Maybe I'm here wrong, honestly. Now to something that cannot be denied, baby mother and baby fathers on and off again love.
You have to touch him in them way there.
Oh, baby. Right, down my tequila. Do you know how I feel?
Mommy, you love the frigate too.
My baby daddy,
How are you there?
Come on, give me the money, Kai. What's the thing say?
All right, let's go.
Come on, give me the money, Kai. What's the thing?
Money.
Honestly, I learned from them because something they never ask your parents them well left each other for how much years, why them still a contact, because me no know. Something special is like, something special in a little baby mother, baby father dynamic. You will never understand it. Today them cause, as so tomorrow them turn back friend. Now let's get into this next story. Now a schoolgirl who was interviewed recently, she stated that she has quite the attraction for older men.
Why the schoolgirl them prefer big man over schoolboy?
Schoolboy no sense. And them waste, them love chat, everything then chat, then go back and tell them friend, then just waste.
So why them prefer big man now?
Why them prefer? Big man have money, schoolboy, money done pan Friday.
My God! Say that they the big man?
Me there we do one.
No, them Gen Z are back, big and bold. Like everything them talk in a caps lock. Like, me don't know, Jesus Christ. In a uniform?
Jesus Christ, I think we need a filter.
Wow. Badness. Now, true or false, users online have been left dumbfounded after this gentleman revealed his true age.
How much?
That's me around 24 right now, you know. 24. Yeah, boy. We out of yonder, you know.
About much?
24.
You're young, man.
Oh, wow. And people say that life don't hard. Now, speaking of age baffling, this young American footballer is apparently 12 years old.
They already follow me. Yes, sir. Hey, man. I don't know. Yeah, I record. How old you is?
12.
Boy, this boy 12. Boy, look here. Only time I hear the word 12 is when we running from them. But right now, boy, I talk to two 12 years old. Boy, look here. If they don't go to the NFL, it's
Now, in more young people news, a high school student was bullied for not being studious.
From Monday, and no one work not reaching your book, brother. No, you just 6 to you, boy. From 7th grade, you don't see no. Right now, in the future, we are trying to see the youth and breed some woman and thing, but you don't want to break no virginity.
Yeah, man, don't shaming. Let us make this a thing. Now, on to an Asian student. He was peer pressured into chopping the line.
Them off I pull them and
Yeah, they good, man.
Free money. Brother, the man no trade already, brother.
How's your father, Mickey?
Yo, pick up too. Make some fake Fendi and Louis Vuitton and sell me rich. Cause Jamaica people love brother. I don't them broke like a dog and no food for them tomorrow. I'm going to buy a polo.
Brother, better you take your advice from Ghetto Kirk. Now we're almost at the end of our newscast, but we have a few more stories for you out there. Now, a little boy is pressing charges after his mother prevented him from showing his support for Argentina.
Where you cry for? No, you cannot put up your Argentina flag in my room. I do not carry Argentina.
I'm so scared to me, man.
You don't carry.
Not see somebody like my side that I'm father.
That's a fear your father business. I do not carry Argentina. You cannot put up Argentina flag in my room.
No, man, mommy is a fight against. Mommy is a fight against. Now, a male bride, yes, you heard right, made quite the entrance at his wedding. Shante away. Or is it chasse? No, this next story is a cautionary tale. Never use random filters on your friends.
We are going to pretend we didn't see that. Let's move on.
Yeah, man, because one of you gonna get slapped one day. And now to our final story. Now, a young man got upset while singing Rihanna's Lift Me. Well, that is it for this edition of Dutty News. I hope you enjoyed. Ensure that you like, you comment, you subscribe, and all of these things for more broadcasts. Well, that's it for Dutty News. Take care until next time, where I will be talking about trending things that I see on my timeline. Do take care.
Thank you.